Displayed is an EMI meter measuring interference. The electrical problem went undetected for years. The symptoms were present. Flickering lights and failing bulbs were noticeable issues. While Kofi resolved the flickering issues using better bulbs, the Wi-Fi kept disconnecting. Computers restarted unexpectedly. The microphone was noisy and the recording volume was low. The unnoticed problem was EMI, or electronic magnetic interference. The marketing term dirty electricity describes the issue. It makes sense, as water and air are usually messy, so why not electricity? This installment of Maintaining 18 takes steps to reduce EMI. The system is already set up and will be shut off, and the difference in measurement averages is noticeable. Where is my manor? A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. When the Power Perfect Box is powered, the EMI meter read 16 millivolts. When unpowered, it went to a number in the 40s. The box was installed in a temporary location to test it out, quite shabby. The Power Perfect Box will be moved to a subpanel and into the attic. A link in the description gives installation instructions for the typical installation. This is not a typical install. The mammoth is bad harmonics. It causes electronics to overheat. It also causes noticeable issues with audio, and hence the first 48 videos posted on Maintaining 18 had sound issues. The mic recorded plenty of noise and had a low recording volume. Bad harmonics cause the voltage to fluctuate and have been observed. Coincidentally, the electric bill increased by 2% from the year when Kofi first began monitoring EMI. Bad harmonics also cause flickering, and at first the lights flickered terribly, but not anymore. As usual, there's some prep to be done, and in this case, add in some insulation. Those grey pipes to the right run into the electrical subpanel for the purposes such as this one. This level of quality is rarely achieved unless you do it yourself. Extending the electrical footprint of the home does not require opening the drywall. Does Golden Judge sound clearer? Check out some previous videos and tell me what you think. And subscribe. But I digress. The installation will require some place to mount the Power Perfect Box. That's where these 9-inch 1x2 pine lumber fits in. Well, the screws used were longer than needed and caused a minor issue. The wood split once. Here is where the installation becomes atypical. The wires from the Perfect Power Box will not make it inside the panel. However, it's perfectly okay to extend the wires some. Made it look easy, and it is. The wires are now extended using some clips. Once the extension is complete, everything is connected, it's time to neat things up a bit using some zip ties. The unit is about to be powered. Before doing so, the cover is removed, revealing the status LED. This will indicate that the unit is functioning correctly. Golden Judge has to head out of the attic to power the box. While he's doing so, if you have not already done so, please subscribe, like or share the video. The channel is about a homeowner maintaining his home, keeping blight away as best as possible, solving the issues that come up from time to time, and this issue, while expensive to resolve, was done. While testing the EMI levels around the home, Kofi noted the highest was approximately 120 millivolt. This was from an outlet. The sound of a radio station was noticeable, seemed like AM radio. 50 millivolts is considered the maximum to be safe. There are some devices which spike the EMI readings. The microwave is one. Golden Judge made an interesting observation. When a Dell power adapter for the Chromebook was used, EMI was reduced. It's possible that the adapters have some form of EMI filtering built in. Very interesting. Very, very interesting to observe this. And there it is. The blue LED indicates all is well and the device is functioning as expected. Now we can exit this dust bowl. The other device that created surges in the millivolt reading is a computer. Check this out. The spike occurred with the Power Perfect Box installed and running. To resolve this issue, a plug-in filter has to be used and installed closer to the outlet for the computer. Below 50, we're golden. Another device that creates EMI lamp, LED lamp. Check this out. The brighter, the more EMI. And that is the end of the presentation. It should be noted that the microwave generates 1700 millivolts. To correct this problem, a plug-in is used in the outlet the microwave is plugged into, but the problem will not be entirely resolved. It only went down to about 500 millivolts when the microwave was being used. Thank you for watching, and if your brain is going and you wonder if your house has this issue, consider subscribing. The day is won.